So I just realized it's been a long time since I've done a Mustang update. A few things. You can see I've got the fuel system stubbed in. I still need to run my fuel lines, but they'll stub out right here. And I'll drop them down through the hole there and go underneath, I think is the best way to do it. So that's taken care of. I've been working on the interior quite a bit. Oh, you can't really tell, but it's got a brand new headliner in there. I got the back dash pad there. Wiring like crazy. I am making progress, doesn't seem like it. But I've been trimming extra wire out. That's what all these pieces are. This is all extra wire I've been cutting out. And that's because I moved the fuse panel into this box right here, mounted on the side. Welded this in. It's pretty solid. These rib nuts are really cool. I've never seen rib nuts. These are actually rivets that are threaded. They work really well. And behold, it's on wheels again. Look at that. Suspension is all in. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not without me turning the wheels. I don't know. Can I turn the wheel? There we go. If you look, 6-piston Wilwood brakes. Haven't wired them in yet though, or plumbed them in. I am doing, if you can see down here, 90-degree bulkhead mounts. That side's completely welded in. Ignore the welds. Kindly ignore the welds because they're horrifying right now. I've got to clean them up and redo them. But it's all stubbed in solid. This side's not stubbed in yet. All suspension is done. So right now I'm working on brake lines, electrical, and fuel system. After that, well, I don't know. Might have to drag her up to Seattle and put the motor in. How's that for a scary thought? If you've seen the earlier videos, it's terrifying, that thought. Oh yeah, my new dash pad showed up with the center section for 2 gauges. So slowly making progress.